I'm Ashraf. Today we're going to learn how to make a rain effect in Blender. So let's get started. First, delete the cube and add a plane. Okay. Then resize the plane by pressing S and 5. And again at the icosphere, go to the edit mode. Now select the top vertex of the icosphere and now select proportion editing. Then shape sharp, drag it up. Now let's go to the object mode, smooth it, then scale it so it will look like an raindrop. Okay, it is looking nice. Now let's go to the shade editor. Add a new component. Delete the principal shader and add a new glass shader. Change the IQR value to 1.33. Now again go to 3D viewpoint. Now duplicate the plane. Now drag it up. Add a particle set into it. Now scroll down and select render. Render as object. An instance should be the icosphere. Change the emission number as 73. It should be a very small number. Now select the plane one and go to physical properties and add the dynamic paint. Then add the canvas. Select plane 2 and go again physical property and dynamic paint, but this time add a brush. Now scroll down and in paint add the particle system and again on the particle system add a particle. Go and again select the plane 2, then scroll down, surface type under the surface, then change it to waves. Play the video. When you are playing the video, you can see droplets coming from the sky. Again select the plane one and go to the edit mode. Right click, scroll up and select subdivide. Now press subdivide and increase the amount of subdivide to 60. Now again go to the object mode. Now when we play, we can see the waves in the plane. Now let's drag it up a little. Then we can stop and add a new material, press the base color, select light blue, then scroll down and zero the roughness, then kind of dark the blue color, then again go and play. Now you can clearly see the movement of the LED, but the only problem is there are some scars. When the droplets hit the scar, you can push the play and right click on the plane, then shade it smooth. So when we start the play, we can see smooth water drops and waves in the plane. Then we can add a camera. You have to delete the main camera. Press Ctrl Shift and O. You can render it if you want, but I am gonna keep it like this. By the way, this is the whole video I am going to do. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe.